Alright, welcome to yet another lecture. Now, we want to look at a situation where you are required to find the future values, and these future values are coming from streams of income. And then the investment is not done on one day or on 1 week. So what it is, an investor will push in some money, then after some time is going to add another amount. After maybe a week or a month, he adds another amount. We want to look at the future values of all these sums of money that are added into the investment account at various levels or various times, or at intervals, in short. Now, I want us to look at the example that is on the board. Okay? On this example, we have Mr. Chuma Iyamvwa invested streams of cash flows in a mutual fund account, paying 10% interest for 5 years. The cash flows were as follows. Year 0, cash flow, we have 500. Year 1, cash flow, we have 300. Year 2, cash flow, we have 200. Year 3, cash flow, we have 100. And year 4, cash flow is 80. Now, the question is, find the future value for Mr. Iyamvwa from the streams of his investment. Okay. Now, let us see how we are going to solve this one. So the formula, the first thing that you must know is that the formula will change. It will not be like the way it was earlier on. No. There will be some changes. So the formula for future value in this case will be like this. Okay? We have the FV, which is future value, equals cash flow 1 plus rate power 5, then plus cash flow open bracket 1 plus rate power 4. Then we have another cash flow open bracket 1 plus rate power 3 plus cash flow open bracket 1 plus our rate to power 2. Then we have the last one, cash flow open bracket 1 plus R power 1. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to have. Now, looking at the question that we were given, you saw that the amounts that were given were different. The first one we were given 500, then we have 300, we have 200, we have 100, we have 80. So this is exactly what we are going to do. So we are now equating the values. Where there is cash flow, which is F, this one, okay? We are removing the F and put the 500 like this. Okay? Then we have 1 plus. Our rate in the question, the rate in the question is 10%. So it will be 0.1 to power 5. So it's raised to power 5 like this. Then the second one, we have cash flow, which is 300. Okay, 1 plus our rate, which is 0.1 to power 4. The third one, we have cash flow. The third cash flow is 200. Open bracket 1 plus our rate, which is 0.1 to power 3. Okay, power 3. Then the fourth one, we have cash flow, which is 100, open bracket, plus our rate, which is 0.10 to power 2. And the last one, we have plus C, our cash flow, which is 80, open bracket 1, plus our rate, which is 0.1 to power 1. So which is as good as leaving it the way it is. So when you reach this level now, you start solving one by one. So in this case, you start with this one. Don't start with the 500. No, it will give you a wrong figure. So 500 will be the last one to solve. So we have this one, which is 1.1, okay, to power 5. Then we have the 300, 1.1 to power 4. The second one will be the 200, 1.1 to power 3. Again, you have the 100 there, 1.10 to power 2. And then you have the 80 there, which is 1.1. Okay? Even like this is the same. So, now, when you raise this one to power 5, when you raise it to power 5, it will give you 500. Then we have 1.6105 plus 300. You raise this one to power 4. When you raise this one to power 4, it will be 1.4641. Okay, you have your 200 there. You raise this one to power 3. It will be power 3. It will give you 1.331. Okay? You have the 100 there. Raised to power 2. Power 2. It will give you the 200 raised to power 2. It gives you 1.21. And the last one, 80 raised to power 1.1 power 1. It will give you 1.1. And then you start multiplying. So when you multiply 500 multiplied by 1.6105 will give you 805.25 plus, when you multiply the 3 by 1.464, it will give you 439 power 23, okay, plus 200 multiplied by 1.331, it will give you 266.2 plus 100 raised times 1.21, it will give you 121 plus 888. So you now add nicely. You add 805.25 plus 439.23 plus 266.2 plus 121 plus 88. Your answer will be 1,719 kwacha 6080 ngwe. So this will be the future value when you invest streams of cash flows at different intervals. Okay? So the series of future values have come to an end today. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell that comes so that whichever video is uploaded, then you receive a notification. God bless you.